All right, this is our nemesis. We've got a Bayless and Harding. Anyway, it's just a pump bottle, soap. You're supposed to turn it. It says turn counterclockwise to open. So we're gonna turn it counterclockwise and it's supposed to pop up. And it's not working, it's just not popping up. So we're gonna try some cool techniques here and see if we can get this thing to work. And keep a roll of toilet paper here handy because this stuff is sticky stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the lid. Get all this soap off. All right, I'm gonna clean it a little bit here. So it's not dripping all over the place. All right, oh boy, it's getting all over. All right, let me rinse my hands here real quick. And what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna clean that base. Wipe my hands here. All right, let's clean it off a little bit more. So it's a pretty simple technique, I'm thinking. All right, so I'm gonna use the paper to try to get some grip. I'm gonna hold the base there and see, because when I turn, it seems like I'm turning and nothing's really happening here. So I'm gonna try to hold this part here. It looks like it's a division part. I'm gonna try this part here and see what happens. Okay. Boy, this sucker's stuck. It's stuck good, I can feel it. And unbelievable, we've got it unstuck. Let's put this sucker back on. Let's pump. And we've got some soap. The soap dispenser is now fixed. This is Fixie Easy Stuff signing out. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.